Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to make a work schedule on Monday.com. So, if you are on Monday.com and if you have to make a work schedule for your employees or for your firm, this is the thing that you need to do. So, the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com with your account. And once when you've logged in, you have to click here and then you have to go here to Template Center. So, once when you're here, you can write work schedule. Here you go. And it's going to pop up right here. You can either make daily work schedule or you can just go with simple work schedule. And then you have to click here on use template. So here you go. You have an already made work schedule. This is for week 1 and this is for week 2. And you can add, more weeks like this. And you can go with week 3 and then add these things as well. Moving on here to the top, you can see that this is the item. You can change it to days if you want to. You can just rename it to days. And then you can write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's already written here. You can write the name of the employees. You can add the employees right here. And you can add the managers right here. You can also, what you can do is you can, write the task as well. The task that is being, I would say, executed on week 1, for example, uh, let's say editing, uh, and then we can go with coding, you know, we can go with things like this. The tasks that are being done here, and we can rename it to task, item to task, and then we can add a specific employee to coding, or we can also add an entire group if we want to do that. We can assign a manager for this particular task because obviously employers will always have a manager uh, trying to look for their work and stuff like that. Moving on, we can also have a start time for this task and finish time as well, and assign morning role and afternoon role. Pretty self-explanatory, I can say that. And regular working hours, we can also assign regular working hours for these tasks, and reasons for not attempting these tasks and how many hours that you have already worked. And we can also assign hourly rate and payday rate as well. So this is actually how you make a work schedule on Monday.com. But if we go here to the home page and click on this and template center, work schedule, and if we check the daily work schedule, let's see what this is about. Here you go. This is the daily. Obviously, if it's daily, so it's going to tell you the time from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11, 11 to 12. And we can assign managers and employees just like the old one. We can also change it, to the daily tasks that are being done on a daily basis. We can also do that if we want and change it to daily task. And note the task is already here, so that's not needed at all. We can just stick with this. It's okay. This is good. And we can write the task here, creating new material, front desk. We can also edit the labels and, add a label of our own, like editing. So we've already added the label and we can also write editing if we want. Achieved or not achieved, any particular notes, we can also add that. And how many hours were absent and the reason for absence, sickness, or like a medical reason. We can also add any other reason if we want. And we can also add specific comments if we want to add to that particular task at the particular time frame. And that's all. That's how you do it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.